welcome to Lesson Seller. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB with Windows 10. First of all, we need to go ahead and download the Windows Media Creation tool from the official Microsoft website. As you can see on the screen, I have already gone to the URL where you can download the Media Creation tool. I will put this link in the YouTube description box below so you guys can get it from there. Scroll down and we're looking for this section here, Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click the Download Now button to download the Media Creation tool. Once it's downloaded, click on it to run the setup file. Now make sure that you're doing this using a local administrator account on your computer. Click Yes to the prompt. And this stage might take a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Once this phase is completed, I will start recording again. Okay, so you will be presented with license terms. Click Accept to proceed. And this stage can also take a couple of seconds, so I am going to pause the video again and I'll be back when it reaches to the next step. Okay, so now we're here. This is where you will select the second option, create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. So click on the second option and hit next. Now, if you haven't plugged in your USB device or USB stick, this is the right time to do so. In here, you can select the language, architecture, and edition of the Windows that you want to have on your USB stick as a bootable drive. I'm just going to leave the default settings as it is, but if you want to look at the options, you can untick this, use the recommended options for this PC checkbox, and it will activate these drop boxes. You can go ahead and select whatever the options that you have if you wanted to look for other versions or other architectures, but I'm going to just leave the standard settings here and hit next. Okay, now make sure that your USB flash drive or USB stick is at least 8 GB. That's a requirement. I believe my one is. Yep, and as you can see here, it automatically picks up the plugged-in USB flash drive. So I have already got mine selected, and I'm going to hit next. And this phase can also take a couple of minutes. Now, as you can see, it is downloading Windows 10. Now, it can take a while depending on how fast your internet connection is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my video here. There's no need to wait for this to finish through. Once it's fully downloaded, I will resume the video. Okay, so the download has been completed. Now it's verifying the downloaded files. This process can also take a few minutes. So let me pause the video again, and once this is completed, I will resume the video. So the verification process has been completed. Now it's actually creating the Windows 10 media, and you can continue with whatever you do during this phase. It's not going to impact anything. This will happen in the background, and I'm going to pause the video again, and once this process has been completed, I'll show you the final step. Okay, now once the whole process is completed, you will see this message saying your USB flash drive is ready. So this is the end of the process. Click Finish button to finish it, and this should just disappear as it did automatically, and your USB flash drive is now ready to be used as a bootable USB when you're installing a fresh copy of Windows. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you are not a subscriber on my channel yet, please consider subscribing. If you guys got any questions about this whole process or about installing a fresh copy of Windows from a bootable USB, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer every comment. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.